KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ka Sarkar Jilla kala penpau bakalong ka bakloi ban penyeng ya ka kherdop talasi bender dada ka surok rel kan poi hadu ka snong bernihat Ribhoi district ya kan ila pentip do sembut menteri rangba jong ka Jilla ba Preston Tensong ha ka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor bat ulia thoru ba deputy commissioner jong ka Ribhoi district ula khot jingya lang ya kiseng bhalang ba de kikin hon ba pher ban ya keren halor ka jing terwa ban penpoi ya ka surok rel hadu ka snong bernihat Kumban supentip hang ni baka Sarkar pedeng kala terwa ban wanra arteliki project lenti rel hamegalia bakin top ya ka wei ka ba arpo ar kilometer ka ba punya so nado tetelia hado bernihan bat ka wei pat ka ba shispa pra kilometer ka ban punya so nam bernihan hado Shillong ya ka project na tetelia shado bernihan an pentrai ha ka jinglut jingsep ka bakot south pa khandai po henreu klor tingka henrei kene ka project kala sakut no kumto hadin bakalami ka jing persha ka bajur ne kikin hon ba pher ki badawa ya ka Sarkar ban shna shwa da ka an ban perking ya ka jingwan rung kerthem jong ki breu ki banabar ka Jilla.
But the only issue here is we still trying our best to carry along everybody because right now be it KSU, NGO, civil societies, it seems they are still against it. Their concern is about the influx. It may take place. But in fact, the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi has already called a meeting, explained to them that, okay, if you wanted to have some sort of check gate or infiltration gate inside the Bernihat railway station, that also can be done. Even the railway authority, they have already assured. But still they have doubts on this. So still the negotiation is still on with the stakeholders. So I cannot say anything right now. But of course from the government side, we really wanted to have, the goods train to come in Bernihat or to come in our state of Meghalaya, not the passengers train, but if it can be considered for goods train, I think that will be a blessing for the whole state of Meghalaya.